In preparation for Monday evening's class on web page development, it'll be necessary for students to download the Kompozer HTML editor. Kompozer is a free, open source WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, HTML editor. In addition, it doesn't have to be installed on your system, so it's very portable. For example, once you download the files to your desktop, you can transfer the files to a thumb drive and run the program directly off of the thumb drive, and save your files on the thumb drive as well. So let's begin by navigating to www.kompozer.net. Once the web page loads, you'll find a button that says Download. Click the Download button, and that'll take you to the following page that'll begin the download. Now, on most systems, you'll get a yellow bar that appears across the top of the web page that will ask you, do you want to download this file? And you can go ahead and say download. But if you don't get that option, click here, and that will take you directly to the download link that you can save to your desktop. Now you're going to click on Save and select Desktop, or on the left hand side select Desktop and click Save, and that will start the download. Once the download is complete, the dialog box will disappear, and you'll be able to either minimize your Internet Explorer window or you can close it, whichever you wish, and that should reveal the file that we just downloaded, the zip file, the compressed file. Now I use a decompression utility called pzip to unzip all of my compressed files, and I launch my pzip by double clicking on this particular file. I then extract all of those files to my desktop. Now Windows has a built-in utility for this as well, and as the files are decompressing, it'll just take a second or two. Once the files are completed and the decompression is complete, I can then go ahead and close this particular window from pzip, and it should expose my original file, my original zip file, and my folder. Now I'm going to delete this file from my desktop because I don't need that zip file any longer. When it asks me if I want to delete it, say yes. And then I have my folder that has all the information in it that I'm going to need for Kompozer. At this point, I'm going to double click on the folder that's on my desktop, and that's going to open up the folder so that I can select the Kompozer.exe, or the Kompozer application that will open the program. Once the program launches, I'll then drag the corner to make it larger, or I can click maximize if I wanted to, and I have an interface in which I can create a web page. Now what I'd like for you to do between now and Monday is I'd like for you to experiment with this particular piece of software, utilize some of the tools. You can see it looks very much similar to a word processing window. You got the center alignment and different font size and things like that. Go ahead and practice with that. Then Monday we'll go over some specifics. Remember that this is a completely portable piece of software, so the folder that's on your desktop you can put on a thumb drive or you can put it on a CD, whatever you'd like, and utilize it on other computers. You can even just leave it where it is and run it the way it is. So I hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you on Monday, and take care. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me through the WebCT email.